Hello, students. Here we are discussing cheat sheet about interview, means do's and don'ts uh, of interview in a very short way. That is, first of all, preparation. When you go for interview, you should be prepared or you should do research about the company or organization so that you will be informed and then you definitely will be confident and don't because if you don't read you will be clueless so don't be clueless and you should be informed, and that is why first step is preparation, that you should research about the organization. Number 2, talk. That is, when you talk with interviewers, you should give number of examples. So examples must be in your fingertips. And how is it possible? When you read about the company and then when you prepare and you are updated, you will be updated. So definitely you will be in situation to justify your points with number of examples. So then explain. Your answer must be explanatory. Don't say yes or no only. Suppose they ask that, do you have any knowledge about this party or anything, or do you have any knowledge about your course, suppose, or what do you expect, something, any question can be asked. So that during discussion don't reply just yes or no. Instead you should give proper answer, and your answer must be explanatory. Now next point is, that is vibe. You whatever, sometime we feel low, sometime lack of confidence, sometimes some problem we face before interview, definitely something can be happen with you, whatever the situation, but you should be very positive during interview, right? And don't make any complain about your professors, about your friends, or about company, where did you do job, or right now you're doing the job. So don't make any complaint. You just have to be very positive, and why you are switching the job, or why you would like to take this job. Suppose your project experience is not good, but still you have to talk positively. No negativity, no complaint. The next point is body. Eye contact. You should make eye contact, right? Eye contact is very important during interview, which shows your confidence. So if you are honest and simple, then there is no problem for making eye contact. So please make eye contact. And no fidgeted. Suppose if you are doodling or chit chatting your pen, or you are shaking your legs, or something like repetitively you are cutting your lower lips from teeth, or you are looking at your nails or somewhere, right, instead of looking at the person. So that the message is very negative. So uh, whenever you are talking, make eye contact. Now salary, very important point. Salary, don't make hurry. At least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, you just talk simply and wait for them. They will ask about salary. Then don't give any fixed amount, that this much of salary I am expecting. Never say. In When time comes and suppose you have to speak about your salary, that is after 15 minutes. Don't give any, don't start or don't speak about salary. At least that statement should not come from your side. You should wait for them. But then if they are asking something, what, how much you are expecting or something, so you should be little bit tricky. You should say that as per the norms, as per the norms, right? And That is, if you ask early and then, so then you have spoiled the, sometime you may spoil the show. So don't speak from your side. No comments for salary. You have to wait for them, and when they'll ask, when you are asked to speak about like expectation, so you just say as per the norms. Now personal, professional or overshare. So you have to be very much professional. Don't share your personal problems or any personal, means not only secret, but don't uh, be much emotional or very professional. And mm, uh, and don't talk about your suppose what we can say, that health issues, right? Or your friends, or don't talk about anything, right? And don't overshare anything. Be in limit. You should speak about the topic and then quiet, keep quiet. Then end. Ask questions, right? You should ask questions. Then if they say, do you want to ask something? No, sir. Yes, sir. No, you should ask, yes, I have a query. I have a doubt. Never say I have a doubt. I have a query. So may I ask something? May I ask one question? This way, and you should ask your question. So don't say none, don't say no. In Say that you are active, proactive, and you should reply, you should ask question. At last, after the interview, when you gave your interview, and then within 24 hours, you should send thank message, either through WhatsApp or SMS or mail. You should say, or you should send uh, thank giving note, right? And then definitely, if you have sent that message, so you will be in their mind, and you may be given priority, or either whether they give or not, but that is formality, that is courtesies we should do, right? So these are some points you should keep in mind before, during, and after interview. Thank you.